Hey everyone, welcome back to Limoneira. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. It is April and this month we celebrate Earth Day. Limoneira is a global company founded in 1893 and has grown to be the largest vertically integrated lemon supplier in the United States and an important grower of other citrus including oranges, grapefruit, and many other varieties. Limoneira is also the largest avocado grower in the United States. We provide our healthy products to hungry consumers around the world. But what we are most proud of at Limoneira is our focus on sustainability. Growing food takes energy, and here at Limoneira we currently have 6 solar installations producing a total of 4.2 million kilowatts each year, with an additional solar project planned for the roof of our new packing house, which will add 2.8 million kilowatts, creating a total of 7 million kilowatts annually. These solar installations will enable Limoneira to operate 50% off-grid. To store this solar energy, Limoneira uses a Tesla 400,000 kilowatt scalable energy storage system, which reduces costs and improves reliability. Using solar energy in combination with other technology such as drones, moisture monitoring, and natural wastewater cleaning, Limoneira is using 21st century technology to bring you great produce as sustainably as possible. Limoneira is also working to create a sustainable community in our home of Ventura County, California. We are building a new live, walk, work community named Harvest at Limoneira, with new homes, a new school, parks, and an athletic center, as well as new commercial space bringing new jobs and investment into our community. We also use social media such as YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to bring you a variety of recipe, DIY, and healthy lifestyle tips to live a greener, cleaner life using lemons. Here are some of our favorites. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!